Hi, I'm Katie, Public Services Librarian at W.J. Niederkorn Library. Welcome to this video tutorial on connecting to a Bluejeans meeting from a desktop or laptop computer. Bluejeans is a video conferencing platform that the library uses to host virtual programs, meetings, and events. In this tutorial, you will learn how to connect to these meetings from a laptop or desktop computer. There are two ways you can connect to a Bluejeans meeting from a laptop or desktop computer. You can choose to download the free Bluejeans Desktop App available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. You can download the app from this link. Or you can skip the downloads and connect through your browser. Supported browsers include Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Opera. To connect to a Bluejeans meeting, you will need the meeting link. If you registered for a program, the link will most likely be emailed to you. Depending on the type of program, we may also post the link with the event information. Today, we will join a meeting from a link that was received via email after registration. On the day and time of the event, navigate to your email account. You will join the meeting by clicking the link that was emailed to you in the Bluejeans meeting invite. If you can't find an email from Bluejeans, check your junk folder. You can also try searching Bluejeans in your email's search bar. The invite will come from invite@meet.bluejeans.com. If you still can't find the email, please contact the library. To connect to your Bluejeans meeting, open up the email. Next, you're going to click the big blue Join Meeting button. A new window will open in your browser. If you already have the app downloaded, the meeting should open up in the app within 5 to 10 seconds. If it doesn't, you can click Launch the app. If you don't want to download the app, or if you are having an issue with it, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Join with Browser. Next, I'm taken to what's called the hair check screen. This is like standing outside the front door of the meeting and double-checking your settings or hair before you go in. To fully participate in the meeting, you will want to allow Bluejeans to access your microphone and camera. Click the green Allow Mic and Cam button. Next, you might get a pop-up asking whether you would like Bluejeans to access your microphone and camera. Click Allow. All right, my camera has been turned on, and now I see myself in the hair check window. Whatever I see in this window is how participants in the meeting will also see me, so adjust your camera angle accordingly. All that's left to do now is click the big green Join Meeting button. And we're in. Let's do a quick review of some in-meeting controls. Up at the top, you'll see the video camera icon. Click that at any time to turn your video off. You can turn it back on by clicking again. You can also mute and unmute your audio. A lot of times when there's a presenter, we'll ask that you mute your audio and keep it muted to prevent background noise. So to do that, click the microphone icon. Click again to unmute. Lastly, if you'd like to disconnect from the meeting at any point, you can click the red button with the phone icon and choose Leave Meeting. Thank you for watching this tutorial on joining a Bluejeans meeting from your laptop or desktop computer. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, Katie, at the email address provided, or call the library at 262-284-5031. Don't forget, we also offer one-on-one technology assistance sessions at the library. I love to sit down with you and go over these steps together. Please call the library to schedule a tech